Liberation Maiden. The future. The spirits that once protected our beautiful nation have been taken from us. Our country has fallen.
My lady, the votes have all been tallied.
Shoko Ozora's election bid has been accepted by majority vote.
Father. Let's go, Kamoy!
Godspeed.
I, Shoko Ozora, will fulfill my duty as second president of New Japan!
As the lines of the Liberation Front are drawn, the time comes for Shoko to prepare for battle. Having witnessed the enemy's massive conduit spikes and overwhelming offensive with her own eyes, she forces her fears aside and heads into the fray.
We'll fight for our people, proceeding with the mission.
This is Citra. Autopilot is engaged and you are en route to the old capital. Shall I explain your control?
That won't be necessary.
Understood. The New orders. Find and destroy the 3 lesser... I'm sending you the...
So the conduit spike...
Autopilot disengaged. Commit...
Evade!
As the lines of the liberation...
We'll fight for our people. Proceeding with the mission.
This is Citra. Autopilot is engaged, and you are in...
Please do.
Very good, ma'am. Incoming directive. The enemy has a battalion of tanks positioned. Hold the reticule over enemies to lock on, then release to attack. Your deflector nodes will recharge while not locked on. The deflector nodes are by firing all. In short, you'll be risking...
Roger that.
Autopilot
Evade! Hang in there. Evade! Can't lose! Look, nature is returning to that.
Yes. Destroy... You're straying outside the combat zone, madam.
All tanks at the old cap.
New orders. Find and destroy the three... I'm sending you the...
So the conduit.
You should take advantage of the Liberator's strafing ability.
Evade! They're abominations.
The lesser spikes tap into the... To destroy the greater... Lesser spikes have two. Damaging a lesser spike. Keep up your assault.
Understood. Direct hit! We did it! Good job!
Two lesser conduit spikes remain. Please head to the... Madam President, if you can destroy... Once you've built...
We just don't give up! Energy charging. Evade!
Enemy missile tracking you!
Intercept!
There's a lesser spike.
Yeah! Now tell me! Kira,
We call them energy.
I see.
The lesser conduit... If you fire...
That may come in handy.
Enemy missile tracking you!
They're coming!
Enemy missile closing in! Contact!
Intercept!
Enemy missile closing in! Prepare to counter!
Can't lose! Evade!
Defeating enemies builds up the... Draw your blade. Enemy missile closing in! Contact!
They're coming!
Prepare to counter! The signal for that spike is...
2 down!
Enemy missile tracking you!
Die! Enemy eliminated!
Enemy missile closing in! Contact!
We did it!
Destroy this lesser spike, and you'll bring...
Roger. Target acquired.
Madam President, I recommend...
Oh, good. Evasive maneuvers!
Enemy missile closing in!
Yeah! Now attack!
Enemy missile closing in! Contact!
Take this!
Enemy missile tracking you! Prepare the counter!
Energy charging. They're coming!
Enemy missile closing in! Enemy missile closing in! Contact!
What a rush! Evasive maneuvers! They're coming!
Enemy missile tracking you!
Intercept!
Enemy missile closing in! Contact!
Think you can win? All lesser spikes eliminated.
Good. I've confirmed...
Understood. I knew the greater spike would... How am I supposed to...
Greater spikes have multiple...
Good enough.
Very well. I'm switch... At 60%.
Good job! Enemy eliminated! Lose like this.
It's getting too dangerous.
Just a little more, come on!
It's getting too dangerous.
I won't lose like this.
That's the Greater Spike's final core.
So I just need to destroy that?
It's not that simple.
Well,
We do have this...
huh?
The Liberator, but the core is...
When I decide...
Madam.
I'm issuing an Sabotage drive!
Spin your craft quickly to... The conduit spike signal is gone. Madam President, come on home.
Thanks to Shoko and her Liberator, New Japan forces have retaken the former